Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, they holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for
Oopsie buttons, gotta hit 'em. Can't quit 'em. Did everybody enjoy the musical musings of Mikey, the legend? On your phone on a dog walk. Well, thank you for joining us on Christmas Day. Oh, Brooklyn's giving roses. We love it. Guys, Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for being here. Merry Christmas from me to you, from mine to yours. I hope you're doing well. I did not prepare any court for us to watch today, but I did download a body cam video for us to watch. Not something we do almost ever, but we'll watch a short one today because it's so funny. I mean, it's not really funny. I mean, it's a crime. It's a serious crime to start with. But, you know, there's a funny part to it. But it'll just be a quick show today. I'm still going to be making dinner. I think we're doing steak, salad, and leftovers. A quick note about my Costco dinner. The turkey was delicious. Beyond perfect. Great. Like, so juicy, so easy, so perfect, so great. Amazing. The side dishes were slightly lacking. Yeah, if that, Ryan. If that. And, they are, and the gravy was not good. I'm gonna say that right now. Just not good. Now, the funniest part is that I brought another gravy, also wasn't very good. Then I made a gravy from what I thought was the drippings of the turkey. I was like, oh, I'll make us the gravy, right? So I did that. I made a roux. I whisked it up. I added in the drippings. Turns out that was a lot of brine, I guess. So it was the saltiest gravy you've ever tasted in your entire life. And so the fourth gravy that we produced at dinner was a packet of gravy. And guess which gravy was the best, sadly enough. Now, there's only so much to blame to be put around. But it was still delicious. The turkey was really good. Like, shockingly good. Everybody was like, this is like the best turkey I've had in a long, long time. So there's that, and it was so easy. Didn't take any time. I put together a really, really lovely cheese platter, and I made my cheesecake. That all turned out really good. You know, Christmas is about kids for the most part in my life, but of course I'm a kid at heart, and so lucky me, I got a Ninja Creamy. Woo! Who's excited for me? That's like an ice cream maker, but you can make almost anything into ice cream. So just yogurt or protein shakes, so many different things. So we might be seeing a new series where I make some Ninja Creamy ice creams. Ooh, thank you, Nana. Nana decided to spoil us a little bit this year. She also got me a mandolin slicer for the kitchen. Obviously, my love language is food for the most part. And so I often ask for and get things for the kitchen. And I really enjoy being in the kitchen. I made our breakfast this morning. Ho, 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 Brooklyn. I made our breakfast this morning. We don't even need to talk about the egg fiasco. There was an egg fiasco. All right? We don't have to worry too much about it. It was handled. It's not going to ruin Christmas. Let's just say you would have thought there was an egg shortage when I have like literally 3-4 dozen eggs here. All they needed to say was bring some eggs. Anyways. We had a great time. My little baby plaid nephew is adorable. Absolutely adorable. He enjoyed eating my cookies. I snuck him quite a few cookies. I'll just be honest about that here. Anytime I needed him to do something, I would just say, you want a bit of a cookie? And he would be fine with that. Amazing. I don't know what kind of Pavlovian training I'm doing here, but still good. We had a really good time. Nana was very happy. Everything worked out well. My sister, oh my God, my sister is the best decorator I know. She does such fun designs. Her whole house was decorated. She handmade all those like chain links out of paper. All over the ceiling, all over the trim. Hanging from the ceiling were different stars and snowflakes. And then she found a picture from our childhood, mine and hers, of us, me and her, standing in front of our Christmas tree. And she recreated that Christmas tree with the ornaments that we had from when we were little. So she recreated that same Christmas tree. I bow to my sister for her amazing creative prowess. You honestly can't even like get the good vibe of it unless you're there, because it's everywhere you look. Like all of a sudden you'll look over, you've been there for an hour, you look over and you're like, excuse me, is the wall wrapped in wrapping paper? Oh yeah, one of these walls is wrapped in wrapping paper. Hi, Adam. Merry Christmas. So also a last funny story, and then we'll watch this. We'll watch this body cam video. Nana purchased us matching Christmas pajamas, as is the trend these days. If something defines like the 2010s and up, it is matching Christmas pajamas for families in the morning. Anyways, so she hi Katie9. So Nana procured matching jammies for us, right? For me and my daughter, for my sister and her husband, for the baby. And then we turned to Nana and we said, well, where's yours? Oh, I didn't buy any for me. What? She didn't buy any for her. I'm like, Nana, that defeats the whole goddamn point. The whole point is that we all wear the jammies. We all feel stupid about it. That's the whole point. Oh, you should get matching PJs for you and the dog. The dog was so good. Bluebell is such a good dog. I know, John. I've done a few body cam videos. Don't you worry, though. It's just one. Bill, you saw an entire family with matching pajamas posing for a Christmas picture with Santa at Chick-fil-A. Is that where people have to get their Santas these days? Is that Chick-fil-A? We don't even have it here. Oh. Anyways, I'm very happy. Nana also got me a solid perfume of my favorite perfume. which is Lush Vanillary, my favorite. I love having a solid version, and it's $6.33. Am I on a time frame? It's $3.33 here. I thought John and them were going at $6.40, to be honest, but that you meant $9.40 their time, which is $6.40 my time, right? Anyways, my dog, I don't have a dog. I've never had a dog. Oh my God, I love this perfume. It is my fucking favorite. Yes, I will not be on until 9:30 p.m. Sorry. Sorry, my loves. I actually thought that John was going on at 6:40. I was going to go on for 20 minutes between 6:20 and 6:40. But look at me talking myself away here. I'm on... You guys... You guys... I fucking love, hate all of you. You're 6:30... 9:40, Carla. What the fuck time is that? That's like an extra digit. Bill, welcome. 6:30 Pacific. That makes more sense. Anyways, but my mind thought that y'all were doing it at 6:40 East. So, you know. Yes. Beverly, yes it is. Get on the road again. On the road again. Adam on the road again. Oh, baby. Love you, my friend. Hope you have a safe rest of your Christmas day. We're going to just watch one video, and then we are calling it so that I can go use some of my new kitchen gadgets. I'm going to make myself some coffee. I'm going to put some apple cider on the stove for ambiance and vibes. I'm going to probably get pretty high. Anyways, let's travel by flu powder. I wish you could travel by flu powder, Adam. It would make everything so much easier. Anyways, thank you to EWU Body Cam, a gigantic channel. As far as I can tell, seemingly okay with people covering their stuff. Hope so. Appreciate it. There it is. Anyways, if you've seen it, I'm sure some of you have, because y'all be watching body cam videos all the time. Oh, no worries. No donos needed. No. No. We don't need donos today. I mean, I like them, but we don't need them today. Just hang out, enjoy. Cellulite yoga plants. Cellulite yoga pants. I got a Ninja Creamy. Very excited about that. Guys, if you're here but getting on the road like Adam, please drive safely. Please don't overtake anybody. And lastly, watch out for chickens. I'll say that. Watch out for chickens. Yes, viewer discretion is advised.
The ambulance is here, okay?
So you're waiting for the chicken across the road, and then the car behind you, she went around you and possibly hit the chicken.
Eat the chicken.
Okay.
Look, she killed this chicken.
And just started spraying like crazy.
She said you have got this coming to you. That's what she said to me.
I do work as a animal rights defender, So I got really angry.
Police are called to the scene when a Florida woman allegedly jumps out of her car to pepper spray another driver. The woman claims she was defending a chicken, but police will have to determine if it was foul play after all.
So why did you get out your car?
Because I want to give her a lesson.
The following report is based on official police records. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. On July 9, 2025, a witness in Key West, Florida calls 911 after seeing an audacious attack unfold in the middle of traffic.
Oh my God, somebody just sprayed a lot of stuff in this lady's car. I was sitting in my car and there was a girl in the car, the ones that got sprayed on, and a girl stopped, ran out of her car, opened the car and sprayed them really bad, jumped in her car and took off.
Is she having trouble breathing?
Are you having a hard time breathing? Yeah, she's foaming.
Okay, she's foaming at the mouth?
A little bit, yeah. My eyes are burning too. It's almost like a pepper spray.
And does she know the person?
No, they didn't know who the person was.
Okay. And is that her screaming?
Yeah. They sprayed pepper on it. Somebody did. They need water for their face. The police are coming right now, ma'am. You can't get in the car and drive away.
Yeah, keep her there. She can't drive like that.
Oh my God.
Honey, the police are coming.
The Key West police and EMTs are soon on scene, where they discover the painful aftermath of this seemingly random attack.
Can you tell me what happened? I need to know what happened so we can help you.
I was in a hurry and she stopped and I tried to get past her.
Because we're going right now to my niece daycare to pick up our niece.
Okay.
And she was in the way.
So
and she didn't want to move. She keeps standing there. And just because she moved, because we're in a hurry, because we're going to pick up our niece to the daycare right there. So she come, follow us, and stop right in front of us and come out and open the door and spray in her eyes, so it even reaching my eyes.
We don't have a
I don't have to know who it is, but it's a black car.
The two women, whose names are Shirley and Perla, say their only prior interaction with the woman was passing her while she was stopped in the road. Police will only learn later why she was stopped and how that moment may have led to this attack.
The ambulance is here, okay?
It does hurt to be pepper sprayed, so I've been told.
I think she got pepper sprayed. I think that's what's going on.
You're not coming for the attack? All right, listen. Look, don't touch your face, all right? Don't touch your face.
Please, somebody.
Listen. Did you get to see who it was?
No,
you didn't see?
please.
Okay. Listen. Just calm down and breathe, okay?
Yeah, breathe.
You can breathe. Just calm down and breathe, okay? I've been pepper sprayed before. All you gotta do is just breathe. Don't touch your face, all right?
Oh, somebody help me.
With Perla too overcome with pain to give a complete statement, the officers talked to the 911 caller who saw the incident from her own car.
I was on my phone just playing a game, waiting, killing time, and I could hear him screaming, and I looked up, and she tried to close. She opened the door, she closed it, the girl opened it again, and it was a can like this big, the black top on it, and just started spraying like crazy. I think it happened so fast.
It's, you don't get based. I know it was about 24 hours or so.
Depending on the person. I mean, that's not even. Like, I don't know of anybody that's had more than a couple hours.
She had it really bad. The one driving got it.
She'll be fine.
Like, kept
what she needs
squirting
to
her.
do is, so what happens is the water keeps activating that. So what she needs to do is stop touching her face and strobe her eyes.
So I did wrong giving her
strobe
water.
her eyes. No, that was good because that wiped off the rest of the stuff. But
The priority for police is to now track down the woman who allegedly did this, and that won't be easy.
Okay, do you remember what color she was?
White, black hair, shirt. And it darkish color like.
Okay.
It's not white.
But the car went straight.
Am I white, white, white? Would you describe me as white, white, white?
Black female. Possibly. Oh.
But there are many unknowns here at the scene, including what may have motivated this mystery woman.
Oh my God. Don't be skin them bird.
Let me get a better story.
She stopped before I reached the blue heaven. And I hung like I need to get by. And then she give a full stop. So I gone around her. And when I gone around her, she just keep following me. And when she reached up here by the corner, she started hollering, you. So I stopped. And when I stopped, she get out of her car and come and open my car door and start spraying. But I tried to stop her, but I had on my seatbelt. Right.
The account gives police very little to go on, especially if they want to find this alleged perpetrator.
It look like none of these houses got like ring cameras or anything.
But it won't take a manhunt to find the suspect. She voluntarily drives herself to the Key West Police Department, ready to tell her side of the story.
Oh my
How you
God.
doing?
Oh my God. She's friendly. I'm not. That's apparently the message that we're getting here. This is crazy. Again, people, you cannot be macing people. You cannot be macing people. All right? You understand?
Good.
She's friendly.
How you doing? I'm Officer Osborne.
Hi, Officer Osborne. I'm Cynthia.
What brings you here today?
So I had a problem with a lady on Bahama Village just right now, like an hour ago. I was driving to my dog to the dog park, and there was like a little chicken passing the street. And I was waiting on the chicken to pass. He almost passed. He was looking hurting already. And a lady who was behind me, she, instead of waiting like everybody else, she just decided to pass next to me and ran to the chicken while she was watching me.
The woman, Cynthia Diaz Sosa, says she felt compelled to avenge the chicken.
I do work as a animal rights defender, so I got really angry and I decided to chase her, which I did. She stopped the car. I opened the door and I sprayed her face when she attacked me. So she came to attack me. Obviously, she was feel threatened, and then I sprayed her face with this spray.
Okay,
a little bit.
Keep that in there.
I feel so sorry. I didn't want to do that.
Okay, so why did you get out your car?
Because I want to give her a lesson.
That much, at least, seems to match Perla's account.
She said, you have got this coming to you. That's what she said to me.
Cynthia's claim about what started this incident is so surreal that the officer wants to make sure he has the story straight.
So you were waiting for the chicken across the road, and then the car behind you, she went around you, and
Oh my God. Look at that little face. Look at our face. Girl, you so stupid. Why would you do that and then go tell on yourself?
To make sure he has the story straight.
So you were waiting for the chicken across the road, and then the car behind you, she went around you and possibly hit the chicken.
It did chicken.
Okay.
Kill it in my face. I have a video of the chicken dead and everything.
Okay, let me see the video.
Oh. That was way after that. Look, she killed this chicken.
Okay.
But even with the aid of video evidence, Cynthia struggles to get the officer to see it her way.
So she got out of her car first, or you opened her car door?
I did.
Okay, and why'd you leave?
Because I didn't want her to get mad, and I came here. I didn't want to leave. I wanted to come and talk to... Anyways, there's no police officers around there. I don't know.
I was there, and we were there within 3 minutes.
Oh, you
there was
were
2
there?
officers there, and the fire department was there.
Oh, so sorry.
Cynthia's apparent calm is a contrast to the other women involved. But she can clearly read the writing on the wall.
So am I going to get arrested
Yes.
for this? How many days do you think I'm going to get
I don't know.
arrested?
You will see a judge in the morning.
Mm-hmm. So
Okay.
today I'm going to be in jail or tomorrow?
Today.
Today. So now.
Yes. So you need to,
can I pay a finance about it?
you take it up with the judge.
I wish I could see the video of it. Do you have
There's no video. I wish you would have stayed on scene. So just make a phone call from me so someone
don't
can
need
pick
a
it up.
video,
to
man.
me like
You just
that?
admitted
I was trying to
it.
defend an animal.
You just admitted it. What video? You literally admitted it the whole time. What in the actual fuck?
Right.
I was not being mean to her just
And in
because.
the state of Florida, you can't defend animals and take it into your own action to teach someone a lesson. That's illegal what you did.
Yeah, but I did not want to do that.
38-year-old Cynthia Diaz Sosa was charged with 2 first-degree felony counts of burglary with assault or battery. The police report states that it was by opening the door to a car she didn't own before spraying the driver with bear mace that Cynthia violated Florida's burglary statute. She's pled not guilty. Court records list a third charge, aggravated battery, which is labeled with a disposition of no information.
You can't just go around pepper spraying people.
I never do that.
The arrest report makes no mention of the condition of the chicken. If you'd like to see select new videos early and help us keep uncovering...
Not the chicken? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. She avenged the chicken. But bear spray seems like a lot, right? Like, look at this scene right here. Do you see this? This looks naughty. She's bent down, squatting, spraying in the face. Terrible. Terrible. Wow, guys. Anyways, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for hanging out a little bit with Christmas. I do have things to do for the rest of the evening, so I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your evenings. I know that John and Carla are co-hosting a video, a show next. Courtney, next. Bath sounds really nice, actually. Maybe I'll go have a bath. If I do come on tomorrow, it'll be in the morning. I do have to work tomorrow afternoon. Yeah, interesting story. I'd be actually looking into that lady and seeing, like, if she's avenged any other animals. You know? I worry a little bit about that. I don't know, though. I'm just a girl sitting here not avenging chickens. In fact, I'm cooking chickens. Boxing Day tomorrow, that's right. I appreciate each of you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Merry Christmas to all of you. Do me a favor. Remember that I love you and I'm proud of you. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. I love you. Bye.
Ways down and ready to ride.